Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my little eyebrow routine, so yeah, we'll just get straight into the video. Okay, so first things first, I'm just going to brush through my eyebrows to get them into a nice sort of shape and keep them tied out. Oh wow, please ignore this spot. Oh Jesus, I didn't know it was that bad. Oh my god. Okay, so for my eyebrows I just used the Revolution Pro Brow Pomade, and I use it in the shade Ebony because I'm like half black, half dark brown hair, but hey ho. Okay, so whenever I'm doing my eyebrows I always start off with the outer corner of it first because it's easier to get the shape that I want. So let's start. So I just go nice and gently first. Keep it nice and slow. And then shape the arch. And then go underneath. Don't worry though if they do look messy or untidy at the start, because we will go around with some concealer and foundation to tidy them up after. So you just want to start using the rest of the product that's already on your brush and start going towards the front of your eyebrow because you want it to be lighter so your eyebrow isn't as blocky. And then just going in with more product, I am just going to start filling in the inside of the eyebrow. And then once again, just using the excess product and bringing it to the front of the brow. If you're not comfortable doing your eyebrows, just go very slow. You know, it took me a while to get my eyebrows right because there is old videos still on my channel and my eyebrows were just a mess. So it has took me a while to get used to doing my eyebrows in a decent way. So now I'm just going to move on to the next eyebrow. Doing the same process again, starting on the outer part of my eyebrow. And then again using the excess product and bringing it to the front. Always gently use your brush as well because you don't want to put too much pressure or else you will end up putting on too much product at the front of your brows, so then it will be really dark and blocky. So nice gentle strokes does it. And then going back in again with more product and just filling in the inside of my eyebrow. And then using the excess product and pulling it to the front of my eyebrow. So once you have your eyebrows filled in, you're just going to go in with a spoolie and just brush through them so that the product doesn't look too harsh. Just like so. So now that you have your eyebrows filled in, we're going to go in with some concealer and foundation and start carving out our eyebrows. Okay, so for concealer, I'm just going to go in with my Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade CO2, and I'm just going to apply this using a flathead brush. So you want to use your concealer below your eyebrow, so you do, so just going to start gently pressing that on and then start working up towards where the line of your eyebrow starts. And then going in and doing the same thing on the other side. I always start by pressing off the foundation just below my eyebrow so that you're not using too much product and getting it into your eyebrow hairs. So once you've done your concealer, you're just going to go in with a fluffy brush and start blending out that concealer so it's not as harsh. So once you've done your concealer, I'm just going to go in with my Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in the shade F1, and I'm going to go in again with the flathead brush, and I'm just going to start applying that around the top of my brow to carve out the edges on the top. Now the top is a little bit more trickier, so I always start off once again on the outer part of my eyebrow and just gently pull it down. So once you do the top of your eyebrow with your foundation, you are just going to pull it down to the center and just gently brush it out so there is no harsh lines. And then once again you're going to go over to the other eyebrow and just do the same process that you've done on the first eyebrow. And then once again, pulling it down to the center and then just gently buffing out the edges. Okay, so going back in with my fluffy brush, I am just going to start to buff out the foundation around the eyebrows. So now that my eyebrows are carved out and filled in, while you were carving them out, if you did like take any little bits off with your foundation or concealer, just go back in with your eyebrow brush and don't add any more product, just use the product that's already on that and just dab it into the bits that you accidentally took out so that you're not applying too much product and then recreating that harsh line. So yeah, there we have it. This is how I do my eyebrows, so I hope I was some sort of help to you guys. So I hope you enjoyed my eyebrow routine and I hope it will be able to help some of you guys. But anyway, thank you so much for watching and I will see you all in my next video. Can I also just apologise, I'm very sorry for such a short video. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it and as I said, I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you.